Hello children, welcome to biology class. We are starting a new lesson today. Chapter number 15, Improvement in Food Resources. Okay. We know that all living organisms need food, isn't it? Children, what is the requirement or what is the need of food? Food supplies proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals, all of which we require for body development, growth and health, isn't it? We know that India is a very populous country. As food for this growing population, we will soon need more than 250 million tons of grains every year. Okay, so this can be done by farming on more land. Children, but we know that India is already intensively cultivated, isn't it? As a result, we do not have any major scope for increasing the area of land under cultivation, isn't it? We can't increase the area of land under cultivation. So, what we will do? Therefore, it is necessary to increase our production efficiency for both crops and livestock. We had the Green Revolution. Did you heard this term, Green Revolution, which contributed to increased food grain production? Who is this? This is Dr. M.S. Swaminathan from India, led the Green Revolution as the project director, and Dr. Norman Borlaug from Mexico supported the Green Revolution through the introduction of high-yielding variety of wheat seeds. And another term is White Revolution. You might heard this term, isn't it? Which has led to better and more efficient use as well as availability of milk. This is Verghese Kurian. He is the father of White Revolution in India. Children, however, these revolutions mean that our natural resources are getting used more intensively, isn't it? As a result, what happened? There are more chances of causing damage to our natural resources to the point of destroying their balance completely, isn't it? So, it is important that we should increase food production without degrading our environment and disturbing the balances, maintaining it. Okay, so we require our environment for our survival. Okay, so all the cultivation, all the development should be sustainable development. Okay, so how can we improve the crop yield? Children, cereals such as wheat, rice, maize, millets and sorghum provide us carbohydrate for energy requirements. Then pulses like gram, pea, black gram, green gram, pigeon pea, lentil provide us with protein. And oil seeds including soya bean, groundnut, sesame, castor, mustard, linseed and sunflower provide us with necessary fats. Vegetables, spices and fruits provide a range of vitamins and minerals in addition to small amounts of proteins, carbohydrate and fats. In addition to these food crops, fodder crops such as berseem, oats or Sudan grass are raised as food for the livestock. And we know that different crops require different climatic conditions, temperature, photoperiods for their growth and completion of their life cycle. According to that, we can divide the seasonal crops into two as Kharif crops and Rabi crops. What do you mean by Kharif season crops? There are some crops which are grown in rainy season called Kharif season from the month of June to October. So paddy, soya bean, pigeon pea, maize, cotton, green gram and black gram are Kharif crops. Then Some of the crops are grown in the winter season called Rabi season from November to April, whereas wheat, gram, peas, mustard, linseed are Rabi crops. Children, it's an important question. You can expect question from this part. Okay, so these are kharif crops: rice, corn, soya bean, sugarcane, cotton, groundnut. Rabi crops: wheat, oats, chickpea, mustard, almond, broccoli. You can write the example from our textbook. Okay, so that's about today's class, and tomorrow we can explain, or next class we can explain the development or techniques or management techniques for crop improvement. Okay children, study well.